Hi friends, today we are making a slow cooker crock pot teriyaki pork meal. So let's get started. So I already have some extra virgin olive oil already heated up in my pan and it already feels warm to the touch. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already prepped them, but I'm going to rinse off my pork tenderloins. These are just Smithfield pork tenderloins, nothing fancy. Just rinsed them off and patted them dry, and now I'm going to brown them. So we've browned the pork. It's really just to lock in the flavors. So now we're gonna add our other ingredients. You can mix them all ahead of time if you'd like, or you can just pour them overhead. So this is 2 cups of chicken broth. This is 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. We're using PF Changs. As much of that goodness out as we can. Then we have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Here we have 1 whole onion. This is 8 garlic cloves diced up. This is about 1/8 of a cup of red chili flakes. This is based on your taste. We don't mind it spicy, so we're going to add a little bit more, but this is based on personal preference. And last but not least, black pepper. This is about half a tablespoon, roughly. Now that everything is in, I'm just going to mix it around a little bit, make sure everything is covered by the chicken broth. I like to get down in between the pork loins and just make sure everything is covered and moist. Okay. Now this is going to go to low for 4 hours. So now we're gonna let that start get cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the mess I made. We're going to come back every hour and just turn the pork. And then once the 4 hours is up, we'll take it out and slice it up. All right guys, welcome back. Hopefully you can hear me okay with the AirPod. I have the air fryer going with the potatoes and the asparagus, the microwave going with the broccoli, but our pork is done. So let's take a look at it. So now I'm just gonna take the pork out, let it rest for just a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and slice it up. When I'm cooking pork like this in the tenderloin, I want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. So I like to, and we like our pork, well done. So I'm going to slice it and then toss it in the microwave in a dish like this. So let's go ahead and chop up the rest of our tenderloins. Look at that goodness. Oh, so good. Smells amazing. And then I'm just gonna scoop out some of these onions. a little bit of the juices. I could definitely add some cornstarch or some flour to the leftover liquid in the crock pot and make a roux. If I was interested in doing that, I'm sure that would be delicious. I'm actually going to heat this up. Just make sure my pork's well done the way I like it. And then I'm going to brush over it with some more teriyaki sauce. Okay, so our pork is done. Looks delicious, so juicy still. So now I'm going to plate that on our plates. Tonight we are having roasted asparagus, some broccoli, and then these are called Hasselback potatoes. It's a russet potato sliced and then roasted with olive oil and salt and pepper. First time having it, we'll see how we like it. The kids aren't huge fans of potatoes, so they have small ones. So that's parents and kids. So let's go ahead and plate this up. There we go, guys. Here is our completed dinner. Smells amazing. Can't wait to taste it, and we'll give you guys a review after so you can see how everyone likes it. All right, Zachary, what did you think of dinner? Did you like the pork? Was it spicy? On a scale from 0 to 5, 5 being the best and 0 being the worst. Is that what I just said? No. 0 means the worst. 5 is the best. Alright, so Zach likes it. What did you think of dinner?
I thought it was very delicious.
Did you say easy? What's hard? The live action one, not like the movie.
But anyway, I fairly enjoyed it. I would give it almost 0.3. Because we do have like basic that.
Okay, Nolan, you're not done quite yet eating dinner, but how would you rate the pork? Alright guys, well thanks so much for checking out our video today. We really enjoyed the dinner. It's cost effective, it's easy, and it's a crowd pleaser. It makes a lot. We'll have leftovers for tomorrow, so we're excited about that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, check out some of our other recipe or Blackstone videos down below. Talk to you later. Bye.